Well, good evening, everyone. I wanted to give us a quick update on what's happening with the storm system and what we can expect with storms that are moving through our area overnight tonight, Monday, November 20th, into early Tuesday morning, November the 21st. I want to give you a look at what's currently happening with this system and what we can expect as we head into the overnight hours tonight for our area. Let's first start by looking at what's going on with this system currently. Here's a look at the radar. We've got some storms, some pretty big storms down across Louisiana and Mississippi. Several tornado warnings on these storms. I think this is where the bulk of this system is going to play out for severe weather here across Louisiana and Mississippi tonight, and then into maybe even portions of central Alabama, but I think it's still going to be pretty limited for us severe weather wise as we go overnight tonight into Tuesday morning. Nevertheless, here's what to expect. The biggest threat coming from damaging winds and thunderstorms overnight tonight that can blow things around. Storm timing looks to be late tonight. We'll go into that in just a little bit. And then a wind advisory is in effect starting at 6 o'clock, and that will run until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning for wind gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour. So we've got some really strong winds that are coming our way. Here's the severe weather outlook currently as of this evening. You can see that marginal risk has been pulled back just a little bit back towards the south and west. Still includes portions of North Alabama here, mainly northwest Alabama. So there's still a risk for a couple of strong, maybe even severe storms here in North Alabama as we go overnight tonight and into Tuesday morning. So don't let your guard down. There's still a chance that we see some of those stronger storms, but the bulk of the severe weather is going to be down to our south and to our west across portions of Mississippi and Louisiana, maybe even the Tuscaloosa area overnight tonight into Tuesday morning. Here's our area a little bit closer. Russellville, you are still under the gun for a strong or severe storm. Most of the severe weather is going to be off to our south and west as we go overnight tonight, but still the chance for a strong storm exists. Let's talk about the storm impacts here. We're talking about damaging winds upwards of 50 miles an hour outside of a storm, but then you could get those damaging wind gusts within a storm overnight tonight that could blow things around, even potentially knock out the power. Another impact will be the heavy rain. We haven't seen that in quite a while, getting some heavy rain overnight tonight into Tuesday morning, so don't be surprised if we get some areas of some flash flooding just because of how dry and how hard the ground is right now. It may just not be able to soak up all that rain as quickly as it normally does. And then we'll have frequent lightning, something we haven't heard in a while. Some thunder coming our way as we head overnight tonight and into Tuesday morning. So that'll be a little bit of a surprise overnight tonight and into Tuesday morning to hear those rumbles of thunder that we haven't heard in quite some time. How about the timing on this? I've broken this down from northwest to north central to northeast parts of our area. So this is what we're looking at timing wise for this system. Again, I've timed out the time when you can expect thunderstorms in your area, not exactly timing the strongest storms. That's going to come to an end a little bit earlier in the morning, say around 3-4 o'clock in the morning. That's when the strongest portion of the storms will be over with, but you can still expect to see storms up till about 6-7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday across North Alabama. Looking at Northwest Alabama, the timing for you guys for Russellville, Red Bay, Muscle Shoals, Florence, and Moulton, looking at anywhere from 7 o'clock tonight to 4 o'clock in the morning for thunderstorms, and you have the highest risk of seeing a severe storm across Northwest Alabama. North Central Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee, including Fayetteville, Athens, Decatur, Huntsville, and Madison, and Hartselle, if you live in those areas. We're looking at 9 o'clock tonight till about 6 in the morning. Again, that's timing for thunderstorms when you can expect thunderstorms to rumble on through. Severe weather likely to come to an end earlier than 6 in the morning, so probably, say, around 2-3 o'clock in the morning. A medium risk for a strong storm or two across this area. And then over northeast Alabama, that's Albertville, Guntersville, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville. You're looking at 11 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the morning for thunderstorms rumbling across northeastern parts of our area. And you have a lower risk of seeing a strong storm overnight tonight and into your Tuesday morning. So that's what to expect with storms across the area. We'll be keeping an eye on all of this. Of course, you can stay updated with the latest by staying tuned to the Weather Authority and News 19 through the rest of the evening. Have a great evening.